Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make easy balsamic salmon salad. This salmon salad is so light and fresh and easy to make, it'll quickly become one of your favorites. To start, we're going to make a dressing that will serve as both the salad dressing and the sauce for our salmon. It starts with a 1/4 cup of good quality balsamic vinegar. We'll mix that with a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Once again, you want to use a good quality. You'll also need a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, about 2 cloves of crushed garlic. You don't want to go too heavy on the garlic. And then last, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You'll whisk this all together and set it aside. Next, you'll want to lightly grease a 9x13 pan and lay out 4 equal-sized salmon portions. Season those with a little bit of salt and black pepper, but not too much because we already have some in our sauce. Then I'm going to take this sauce, give it a little stir to make sure it's still mixed up, and drizzle on some of that balsamic mixture. I'm going to use about 1/3 of the sauce. Then we're going to bake this in a 450-degree oven for about 12 to 15 minutes until the fish flakes easily with a fork. While the salmon is cooking, we can put together the rest of our salad. We're going to start with a bed of chopped romaine lettuce. Then we'll slice some either grape or cherry tomatoes and add those on. We'll make those nice and pretty. We'll add in some kalamata olives. You could have those too if you want, but I'm going to leave mine whole. Also dice some cucumbers. We'll add those in. Then we'll very thinly slice a red onion. We'll get those in there. And then I like to add in a little bit of crumbled feta cheese. But of course, when it comes to salad, you can feel free to add in your favorites or leave some out that maybe might not be your favorite. So customize this to your own personal taste preferences. And this is perfect timing because our salmon is done. Now you can serve your salmon up whole, so it's like individual portions with individual salads, or you can chop it up and mix it in with the rest of your fixins. It's really up to you. And that's it. When you're ready to eat, just drizzle your dressing over top and give it a toss. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.